Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be another haul, and this one is going to be from Zara. This is my first time shopping at Zara. I'm gonna give you guys cut straight. All the items that I got are from Zara's basic line, well, most I should say, or from the basic line. And let me just tell you, I love Zara now. I love their quality. I'm trying to move away from fast fashion brands and build my wardrobe so I can pull something out my wardrobe and it goes with anything. And I'm a girl that love black, white, gray, and neutral colors, browns. So that's why I picked out some stuff from their basic line. Their quality is good. I'm also gonna do a styling video of where I style them, so stay tuned for that. But let's get into this haul because the items are, yeah. So the first items I got is this dress. I just had a baby, so if I'm not snatched, that's why. I'm 5'6". I don't know my current weight, but I'll update it in the description box. I'm supposed to go get my 6-week checkup, so I'll update it then. So let's get into this dress. This is a t-shirt dress. I love dresses like this. This is amazing quality. It's not see-through. I can actually wear it out during the day. I can dress it up with sneakers, well, dress it down with sneakers or dress it up with heels. It's amazing quality, and I got this in a medium, and I'm glad that I got it in a medium. I didn't want anything that was too tight that was gonna be sticking on me, so this is perfect. And it's hitting at the perfect length. It's not too short and it's not too long, because I live in Florida and I can't be having hot long clothes on. I love the shade of black also because it's really black. As you can already tell from my hauls, I love black. Black is one of my favorite color, even though they say it's not a color. It's one of my favorite colors, and my wardrobe is already full of black stuff, so I'm just cleansing and purging and getting some things that I feel like is of quality. So the next item I got is the Ottoman leggings, and I actually really like this legging. It's made of a nice compact material. It's kind of like a school material, but not quite. Kind of like a mix between scuba and rib material. I got it in a medium. It fits perfectly. When I lose a few pounds from this baby weight, it's gonna fit even better. Okay, but if you're in between sizes, I would say go up to the next size, because I probably could have fit a large, but it will probably be too big around the waist area. One thing I must say about this legging though is I wish they had actually sewn this part, the waist part, completely around. They sewed it in the front, in the sides, and in the back they didn't sew it completely, so it moves around when you walk. That's the only thing I have to say about this. And the stretch is not that great. It's made of that material, a bit scuba and rib, so it's not that stretchy. So if you're in between sizes, I would say go up a size. It also comes with a split hem, which is cute. So this is a shirt, and I got it in the size medium right here. I got the same thing in white. The thickest of quality, but it will do the job. You're not going to be hot in these, and they're perfect for summer. And I like that they're stretchy. I could have gone down a size, got a size small, but that's neither here nor there. I kind of like the baggy look. And I also got this in white also, so you can see the colors that I like, very neutral colors. This is where it hits me. and I'm 5'6" if I didn't mention it before. And then I got this blouse right here in pink. This is also in medium. It fits great. It also have the lining, but the material is thick regardless of the lining. I just had a daughter, so I'm into pink. She has a lot of pink stuff, and sometimes I want to match. And I'm also doing a pink series on my Instagram, so I got this bodysuit, and this is in black. This is a medium also. I like to get my bodysuits in medium because I don't like anything like squeezing my crotch area. Yeah. Also got the same thing in white. So this is the next top I got, and this is the wide strap. I'm sorry if you can hear Milani. She's laying in here. You'll probably hear her cooing and babbling. This is the wide strap top. This blouse is amazing. Okay, I love this blouse. It actually sucks you in. It also has a lining that covers your boob. So if you don't want to wear a bra, you don't have to wear a bra. And I got this in the off-white color. It probably gonna look white on camera, but it's not white. I got it in a medium also. So this is the off-white color. I love the square neckline. In black, the white look, you can tell that this one is cream and this is white. This sucks you in. I love this blouse. I love this top. If you're not gonna get anything, get the Ottoman leggings and this top. You'll thank me. It's perfection. So yeah, quality for this one is definitely an 8 for me. The Ottoman leggings is definitely a 9 out of 10. Yeah, an 8. And the Ottoman leggings is definitely, and the only reason why it's an 8 is that I wish the lining that covers the boob went all the way down and was all the way on the blouse, but that's me being picky. So this is my last item. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the styling haul. I'm just gonna be styling what's new in my closet. And if you're thinking about shopping at Zara, I'm here to tell you that the basics line is something of quality, something you can pick up. I love it, and it's gonna go amazing with my wardrobe that I'm trying to create. Let me get to this baby. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.